Neil here from Art Clean. Today I'm working on a Art Deco apartment in the inner suburbs of Melbourne. Going to have to be extremely delicate in the process of cleaning today, and one of the big advantages we have is hot water, so we can work on hot water. I'm heating the water currently to about 60 degrees. And I just want to show you around this vent. You can see it's actually quite bad. And let me show you, we can also vary the pressure here. You can see we can increase and decrease the pressure through this throttle on the handle, which is really advantageous. And you just work very, very delicately, so we're not going to create any additional cracking. And it's a very slow process. You can see how beautiful that's coming up now. You will not beat the power of hot water at pressure, and this is something that folks at home won't have machines that can do this. And especially with jobs like this, you need to know what you're doing because of the delicate nature of the surface. You can see how much pressure this is coming up. They're selling their apartment, so let me show you at the top here where the staining is quite bad. Clean it up, no problem at all, no problem. In progress clean, you can see the area I haven't cleaned, so the renders really come up excellent, and we haven't damaged any section of render. So this is the finished result. This is all the render that's been cleaned up. I didn't show you this before, but you know, we basically cleaned all the render around the building as well, and that was that's really created an amazing result as well. So the customer's very happy with this, and so are we. Hope you enjoyed the video.